Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius Fire Sign. Today I'm going to do a reading for those who are in separation and no contact. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave that. If you like my content, please do like the video guys, then it will reach more people, and thank you so much for supporting me. If anyone need a personal reading, I'm giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are charged. So let's see your messages. Sagittarius, fire sign, sun, moon, rising, audience. So first we will see what is the blockage in your relationship. First we will see what is the blockage in your relationship. So the main blockage in this relationship is no seriousness. Yeah. You both took this relationship uh, like casually. You both took like I think I'm seeing very playful energy. You both didn't take very seriously this relationship, so that's why it was ended. And one person was stubborn, but one person was a player type energy, always in and out of this relationship, so no seriousness. So that is the main blockage in this relationship. So let's see your person current feelings and their true intentions. Under the deck, six of swords. So your person is still thinking about you. They want to talk to you because knight of swords, they are thinking about communication right now. And king of pentacles, definitely they're thinking about reunion here. They made their decision, but your person is waiting for the right time because wheel of fortune is here. They are waiting for the divine timing here. And some of you are dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Scorpio, and lots of you are dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. A lot of air energies here, so I want to clarify death card here. See, definitely they want a rebirth in this connection, and they really want to communicate with you, and they realize you are the one for them because Two of Cups. They are feeling strong soulmate connection towards you, Sagittarius. But they're waiting for the right time or divine timing. And lots of you are in long distance here, living in different cities, states, or countries. Yeah, your person is trying to healing their self. And some of you are dealing with Sagittarius, fire sign. So let's see your current feelings. So your current feelings, you are obsessing over your person, you're obsessively thinking about your Sagittarius, but you know that your person is always in and out of your life. So that's why you both are in separation. You are thinking in this way. So the tower, right now you're going through a tower moment. Actually, you wanted marriage and commitment from your person, and but your person always in and out of your life. They behave like a player, and you felt sometime that relationship was toxic also because the devil is here. So yes, now you are obsessively thinking about them, and you are going through a tower moment. So let's see, will they take any action or not? Some of you are dealing with Capricorn X sign. Will they take any action or not? Seven of Cups, Ten of Cups, and Five of Cups, and the Sun. They do want to take action, but it will take time. Under the deck, the Sun card. Some of you are dealing with Leo fire sign. They're thinking about happiness. They're thinking about family, and lots of you are dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, a lot of water energy. I want to clarify Ten of Cups here. See, waiting game. So they want to take action, but I'm seeing waiting game here. But they do want to have a new beginning with you, because Ace of Pentacles, it's all about new beginning. Sagittarius, they are playing waiting game here. So let's see, do you want to take any action from your end? Some of you want to take action because you are overthinking. You literally want to communicate your feelings with your person. You want to express your feelings. Yes, you, because you invested in this relationship a lot emotionally, you still serious about this person, or at least you want to express your feelings. So that's why lots of you are thinking about to reach out to your person through communication. And the star card means, yes, you are healing. You are trying to heal yourself, but you are overthinking, Sagittarius. Please quit overthinking, because it will spoil your mental health. I already told you so many times. You need to quit this overthinking, Joe. Otherwise, I think you will face so many problems health wise. So let's see what is the near future outcome between both of you guys, and where this relationship is headed on. See, definitely things will move forward in this relationship. Some of you are dealing with Cancer, water sign. First, you both need to heal yourself, Four of Swords. Then, love yourself. Then, you have to approach your person. Chariot, definitely things are moving very slowly, but at least things are moving. But right now, during this journey, you both will miss each other. But healing and loving yourself are the most important steps in your journey. So, let's clarify the outcome here. Five of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, Hermit. See, it's all about journey inward rather than outward. Some of you are dealing with Virgo H sign. So yes, you both love each other. There is love, but it's a journey, and you both need to balance your feelings and emotions. And don't entertain any third party in your relationship. Yeah, things are moving, but not like fastly. Things are moving very slowly in this relationship. So let's see what is the advice for you regarding this relationship or situation. Queen of Pentacles means you need to take action if you want, or you need to focus on yourself. You need to balance your work life and love life. And Page of Swords means don't spy, just focus on yourself. So let's clarify Queen of Pentacles. See, King of Swords. So be logical, don't be emotional, set and maintain boundaries. See, under the deck, Eight of Swords. You are feeling stuck. You are thinking one story in your head and you are living in that story. First, you need to come out of the story, because Eight of Swords is a very stuck energy. First, you need to come out of this energy. You have enough strength to deal with any situation that is coming towards you, Sagittarius, because some of you are dealing with Leo fire sign. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If anyone need a personal reading, I'm giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me, and readings are chargeable. Thank you.